Good morning. Good morning, all of you. Welcome back.
Good morning, ma'am.
Okay, so today also we will revise, this period also we will revise real numbers and tomorrow test. Okay, I have sent the PDF. Melita and Eva said you cannot open it. Melita, did you try again?
Yes, ma'am.
Now it is okay.
No, ma'am, it is not coming.
Now also it's not open. You can't.
No, ma'am.
But Eva, you did know.
Yes, ma'am.
You try once again, Melita. Eva and Elna opened that. In the group also you open, no? Yes, you try Melita again, once again. Maybe network is less. You try after some time, okay?
Okay.
Okay, I will send you some more questions. This PDF is the one we did in the class. It's from Arihant. One more guides questions I will send afternoon and try those questions also. And tomorrow 7 o'clock. Tomorrow 7 o'clock test. Clear?
Ma'am,
Board 9. Yes.
and this like questions will come now. Should I we discuss like that?
Yes.
Type?
Yes. Some other
And case study questions I have that that name no that what Oswald also in Oswald.
it is there. Somebody
Ah,
call me. Who's that?
I'm Oswald.
Okay, children, 58. Question number 58. Write fast. Write in fast. Make it fast. Question number 58. A seminar is being conducted by an educational organization where the participants will be educators of different subject. Number of participants in Hindi, English, mathematics are 60, 80, 408 respectively. Right question? Who's Rose? Rose. Rose is not there, no? Who's that?
This question bank means only questions.
Question bank is only with only questions.
Ma'am,
What else?
go to the store. House guide and question bank also there.
Mhm.
Because I told you want to buy that guide. That's why I buy it.
Guide means same questions, full of questions.
Okay.
Okay, see, we have a seminar on different subjects, and different subject teachers are gathered there, and it is given that English 60, Hindi 60, English 84, and Maths 108. First question, try to first question. Each room, the teachers are giving rooms, separate rooms, and each room same number of participants to be seated, and in one room one subject. That is the first question. Each room same number of participants are to be seated, and all of them being same subject. Can you connect this question with any other question we have previously done? Each room, which one? That apricot, banana, one more thing. That question. Okay, three different fruits are there. We have to arrange them in rows such that each room in each row same number of fruits and same type of fruits also we need to arrange. Here also we have to accommodate them in different rooms. Each room same number of teachers and same subject. Okay, so what was the question? Maximum number of participants that can be accommodated in each room. Maximum number of fruits in each row. So what we need to find here? HCF. Question is simple. If you understand, if you connect this with that question, then it is very simple. Find HCF. HCF of numbers are HCF for 60, 84, 108. So find 60 factors of 60, 84, and 108. Find the factors. I will send a PDF of one more guide. If anyone want again more questions, please contact me. I will collect some more questions because there are so many sites. I will download and I will send. Okay, you please contact me if you want more questions. Because after this, we can't come to real numbers. Today onwards, real numbers revision is over. Now you have to study by yourself this chapter. 60 factors are
And
2
raised to 5.
2 raised to 5 and
And 2 raised to 2.
3 raised to 2. 3 raised to 2. 84.
Ma'am, 2 raised to 2.
2 raised to 2.
And 2 raised to 2 into 3 into 5.
2 raised to 2 into 3 into 5.
2 raised to 2 into 3 into 5. Then 84.
2 into 3 into 7.
Two raised to 2 into
7 into 3.
108.
Ma'am, 2 raised to 2 into 3 raised to 2 into 5. No, ma'am. 3 raised to 3.
3 raised to
2 raised to 2 into 3 raised to
2 raised to 2 into 3 raised to
3.
3. Okay. So HCF is common factor with the lowest power. Common factors are 2. Lowest power is 2 square. Another common factor is 3. Its lowest power is 3. So HCF is 12. So maximum number of participants that can be accommodated in each room is 12. Option B. Question number 2.
Option C.
B no.
Ma'am,
12 is option B.
okay.
What is the minimum number of rooms required during the event? That we can connect to the number of rows of those fruits. Number of rows. This type a question will come, children. Okay, so you connect with this. These three. Always remember these two questions. That fruits question and this teacher's question. If such a question comes, you can connect with this. So this is the here HCF is the number of fruits in each row. Next question, number of rows. Number of rows is total number by HCF. Total how many teachers? Total teachers are 60 plus 84 plus
252.
252. Now, number of rooms is in one room 12. So number of rooms 252 by 12. Answer is
21.
21. So D is the option. Next, LCM of 60, 84 and 180, 108. LCM. Factors you have already found. So you can easily write LCM. Okay. LCM is all the factors with the highest power. So 2 with the highest power, 3 with the highest power, 5, 7. Find LCM.
Ma'am, that is, ma'am, I didn't see that second sub question. Can you show I was right?
1 second.
What is the number?
First of all, you write this one. Later you can do the other one.
This
LCM is 2 square into 3 cube into 5 into 7. So the answer is
Ma'am, is 2,520.
3000.
Ma'am, 2000.
2,500.
It is 2000.
No, ma'am,
3,780.
3780. So option is A. Option is A. Now the product of HCF and LCM of product of these two. Product of HCF and LCM. Find out the product. 21 into 3780. How much it is? See, very simple questions. Questions are very simple. Product of two numbers.
Ma'am,
Hmm?
I'm 12 into 3,780, right?
Oh, sorry. HCF is 12. Okay. 12. Sorry. That is the number of rooms. 12 into, sorry. Thank you, Ebin.
An option D.
Option is? Option D?
Yes, ma'am.
Option D. And fifth also, simple question. 108 can be expressed as the product of primes. 108, you have already done. Prime factorization of 108. So what was the answer? Option is? Option?
2 raised to 2 into 3 raised to 3.
Option D.
Option D. Yes. But do you ask somebody asking me some other thing? Hello? Do you ask anything? Anyone? Any doubt?
What asked?
Some, I heard some sound.
It may be any voice. Anybody we unmuted that way. Anyway, voice.
Okay, maybe that. So over 5 questions. Now question 60. Right? Writing questions, you please make fast. A mathematics exhibition is being conducted in your school and one of your friend is making a model of a factor tree.
Ma'am, that question you want to write very big.
Yes, make it fast.
Okay. Exhibition is Exhibition is being conducted. Conducted in your school. And one of your friends.
Ma'am. Ma'am,
Yes, yes, Rohan.
this question from that book MBD. That book only.
It's maybe it is there in MBD. Actually, it is from Arihant. It will be there in NBD also.
This book also
Yes, this type is there. See, I that's why I told you, in all the questions, the same type questions. All the case studies are same questions. Other questions, there is some difference in only numbers. Case
Ma'am,
study, all the questions I found same questions.
people are using that Hari and the Oswald not using.
I got Arivand firstly, so I used that.
I mean, it is
Okay,
no Harinand like that Oswald no.
you can use buy any one book, then use it. Okay, before explaining the questions, I will explain what is this factor tree. This is a factor tree. Factor tree means suppose our number is 120. So 120 first. Okay. Then 120, first of all, its factor is 2. Then it is 60. No. So factor tree, 2 of its factors. 2, 60, we will write. Then again 2, 30. So this 60 has 2 factors, 1, 2, 1, 30. This way representing the prime factors is known as factor tree. Again 30 can be written, 30 is 2, 15. So again one more 2, then 15. Then 15 can be 3, 5. So factors are 3 and 5. This is known as factor tree. Factor tree. Okay, writing the factors like a tree form. Okay, so here you can see a factor tree. That during a math exhibition, a child prepared a factor tree. But he has some confusion. Some of the numbers he didn't get. They are this X and Y. You need to fill up the, you need to find the answers. See, this is a question from the question bank published by CBSE. CBSE question bank question it is. Okay. See, so how we will get X? X is, see, 120, 120 we wrote 2 into 60 we wrote. So 120 is the product of 2 and 60. 2 into 60, 120. So how we will get X? Here X will be 5 into,
X.
this is X.
183.
Okay. Then, how much it is?
Ma'am, 5 into 10.
And option B.
B. B, 1, 3. Okay. What is this? Option B. Okay. Now, second question, what is the value of Y? How we will get Y?
Ma'am, dividing.
Dividing. See, I will explain about 120. This is 120. This is 2 and this is 60. Here again you have a 2. No, here we don't know what is the value. Here it is 30. So how we will get this 2? Dividing 60 by 30. So here we will divide 2783 by 253. Divide and find out.
Question,
200.
question. I was right.
Option C.
Option C, 11.
Ma'am, I wrote to that ask for your help that the rupture root.
Now, what will be the value of Z? Where is Z?
23.
Z is 253 by 11. How much it is? It is
23.
23. Good. Yes, it is option B. Now, according to fundamental theorem of arithmetic, 13,915 is a composite prime, neither prime nor composite even number. What is this number? This is a Karthik. Yes, you're correct. Composite number because it has more prime factors other than 1 and that same number. It has so many factors. 11 is there, 5 is there. So it has factors, so it is a composite number. Now, prime factorization. You can write it from the tree itself. Prime factorization of 13,915. Which are the factors? 5 is there. Then y we got as 11 is there. 2 11s are there, so 11 square. And z is 23. So this is the prime factorization. 5 into this 5, y also 11. So 2 11. So 11 square and z we got as 23. So 5, 11 square, 23 is the prime factor. So very simple question. Over all these questions.
1 second.
These questions are there on your PDF, okay? Question number 56. Read, write. 56. Write in fast.
And questions doing right, I can send these questions. I don't know.
Already sent. I have already sent these questions.
Doing right this question. We can notice now. We can notice. So our time will go on, ma'am. It is very big question.
Writing a question, that time is not a waste, Fisan. How many times I'm repeating? Writing question is not a waste of time.
Okay.
You have to make it fast. Read first question. What is the minimum number of books? Write it. Minimum number of books. Minimum number of books you will acquire for the class library so that they can be distributed equally among section A and B. You are preparing a class library. And in your class, there are 32 students. In B, 32 students. In C, 36 students. And B section is preparing a library, C section also preparing a library. So that the books in B section is divided into both B and C, and book in C section also dividing equally to all the students of both the classes. So how many books we need in each class? That was the question. They can be distributed among students of section A. Okay, in a library, suppose B section is preparing a library. How many books you need so that both B and C can share equal number of books? So what we need to find here? Minimum number. Yes. LCM. You have to find LCM of 36 and 32. And it can be divided by both 32 and 36. So LCM is the least number. So find LCM of 32 and 36. And 36. Is
Ma'am, 288.
288. Yes. 36. What are the factors of 36? 2 raised to 2.
3 raised to
Into 3 raised to
2.
2. Okay. So LCM is all the factors with the maximum number of maximum power. Factors with the maximum power. So 288. Yes. 288. There must be 288 books so that both the classes can share equally. Second question. If the product of two positive integers is equal to product of their HCF and LCM is true, then HCF of we know that LCM into HCF is product of numbers. LCM is 288 into HCF equal to 32 into 36. So HCF is what's the correct option?
6, ma'am. Ma'am. 6. Is it 6?
Is it 6?
4.
4. Correct option is B. Third question. Simple question. Write fast. 36 can be expressed as 36 is 2 square into 3 square. So correct option is A. Now, the same question, this question, 7 into 11 into 13 into 15 plus 15. We discussed during last day, during the time of revision, we discussed the same. Is that a composite or prime or neither prime nor composite? What was this number? Fourth one. It is a Composite number. It is a composite number because it has prime factors other than 1 and the same number. If P and Q are positive integers such that P and Q are positive integers such that P equal to AB square, Q equal to A square B, then LCM of these two. LCM is all factors with the maximum powers. So LCM will be A square B square. All factors with the maximum power. So B is the correct option. LCM with all factors with the maximum. A B square means it is A into B square. A square B. So they are the factors. Question number 57.
Can you show the fifth question?
Previous one.
And this is about a card.
Mm. സ്ഥിരം പരിപാടിയാണ്.
And we can discuss it. It's a lengthy question. Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, we can discuss it. It's a lengthy question. We will write.
Write it.
Yes, ma'am. We can discuss.
Yes, that we will do. You write. After that, we will discuss. The students have to pick a number card. Okay, children, you wrote the question. See,
Ma'am,
here we have some cards,
number.
and each person has to take a card Look at that card. The numbers are writing on, some numbers are writing on the card. And about that card, he has to ask question to the others. That was the game. Okay. See here we have 5 students. 5 of them took a card. And now they are going to ask question to the others about the number they got. Is that clear, all of you? What was the question?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now, first question, first person. Akshay picked up root 12. Akshay picked up root 12 and his question was, which of the following is true about root 12? What was the answer? About root 12, which statement is true? Which statement is true?
B.
It's irrational.
Rational number.
It is an irrational number because it is a radical third. So it is an irrational number. That is the first question of Akshay, first person's question. Now, second question, Shalu. Shalu picked up bonus, and her question was, which of the following is not irrational? From the given 4 options, which one is not irrational?
Option C.
Which one is not irrational? Option
C.
C, because 2 plus 2 root 9. 2 plus 2 into root 9 is 3. So 2 plus 6, 8, which is not irrational. All others are irrational. Okay. So which is not irrational? C is 2 plus 2 root 9 is not irrational. Okay. Now, third person's question is, Charu picked up root 3 minus root 2. Her card shows root 3 minus root 2. And her question was, root 3 minus root 2 is
Irrational.
irrational. Is an irrational number. Root 3 minus root 2 is an irrational number. Fourth person, Bhumika picked up 1 by root 8. And her question was, 1 by root 8 is
Ma'am, I missed the last question. Shalu picked. I was writing the question.
1 by root 8 is what? It is a Tania, it is what type of it is? It is
Irrational.
irrational. It is irrational. Mallika. Next is Mallika. Mallika picked up root 5. And question was, which of the following is not irrational? From the 4, which of them is not irrational?
Root 16.
Option D.
Root 16, because root 6, option D. Root 16 is 4. Root 16 is 4, so it is not irrational. Okay. Write question number 29. Question number 29. This, I'm ending our class. I will send some more questions to you. Study well for tomorrow's exam. There won't be any intimation on your group. You have to remember 7 o'clock, board 9. Okay, bye. Thank you.
Thank you.